Are you looking for the best drift skates? Top 5 picks for speed, style, and performance. Drift skating is on the rise, with more thrill seekers and skaters looking for compact, fast, and stylish ways to glide through urban streets. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned rider, finding the best drift skates comes down to key factors: wheel quality, build durability, maneuverability, and comfort. In this guide, we review 5 top-rated products based on performance, design, comfort, and durability. Product number 1. Riedell Boost Roller Skates Indoor Quad Roller Skate. The Riedell Boost is designed for indoor enthusiasts who prioritize control and comfort during their rides. Crafted with a durable boot and responsive Powerdyne thrust nylon plate, these skates offer excellent maneuverability for both casual and serious skaters. The high-rebound urethane wheels glide smoothly across rink surfaces, while the padded tongue and secure lacing system keep your foot stable. These skates shine in roller rinks, making them a solid choice for beginners and intermediate users alike. Though not ideal for outdoor use due to softer wheels, the Boost offers dependable quality and classic aesthetics. If you are looking for a comfortable and affordable entry into the quad skating world, this model checks all the boxes for reliability and fun. Product number 2. Riedell Dart Roller Skate Quad Roller Speed Skates. Looking for speed and flash? The Riedell Dart is a fan favorite for those who want performance with style. Designed for speed skating, these quads feature a low-cut boot for greater range of motion and superior agility. The color options are bold, making them stand out in the rink or on the street. The ABEC 5 bearings and high-grip dart wheels allow for swift acceleration, making them great for speed skating or derby-style fun. While they're mainly built for indoor tracks, many users modify them with harder wheels for outdoor use. These are best suited for intermediate to advanced users who want a skate that's built to last and can handle high-impact performance sessions. Product number 3. Riedell Crew Roller Skates Outdoor Quad Roller Skate. The Riedell Crew is tailor-made for urban skating, cruising, and outdoor exploration. These skates feature suede uppers for a premium look and feel, paired with a supportive high-top design that offers excellent ankle protection. Equipped with Sonar Zen wheels and ABEC 5 bearings, the Crew delivers a smooth ride even on rough pavement or sidewalks. The fit is snug and supportive, and the insole cushioning adds to the overall comfort. Designed with outdoor conditions in mind, these skates don't require many modifications right out of the box. They're ideal for skaters who want to enjoy longer rides in parks or city streets without sacrificing control or aesthetics. Product number 4. Men's Adult Fitness Inline Skate Outdoor Street Blades. If you're transitioning from traditional roller skates to inline models, this adult fitness inline skate is a solid, affordable pick. Designed for outdoor use, it features a streamlined boot with ventilation panels, a sturdy buckle system, and high-grip wheels ideal for fitness skating or daily commuting. The aluminum frame keeps the skate lightweight yet durable, allowing for a responsive ride. While it may not offer the finesse of more premium inline skates, it does provide ample ankle support and speed performance for beginners and recreational skaters. These skates excel in value and are perfect for adults seeking a versatile skating experience. Product number 5. TC Inline Skates for Adults and Teens Professional Rollerblades. Built for both casual and semi-pro riders, TC's inline skates deliver an impressive mix of performance, durability, and style. These skates feature a reinforced aluminum frame, 82A hardness wheels, and smooth ABEC 9 bearings for a quick and controlled ride. The boot design is supportive with a triple closure system, lace, strap, and buckle for enhanced fit and stability. TC skates are equally suitable for outdoor fitness rides or freestyle tricks, making them versatile for multiple use cases. Teens and adults alike will appreciate the balance of function and comfort in this model. Whether you're skating to stay fit or just want to carve up some pavement, this pair won't disappoint.